This is the Ufree professional beard trimmer. This was sent over to me so I can go over the details, give you guys a quick demo, and help you decide if this is right for you or not. If you're ready, let's get into it. Starting off with what comes in the box, you're gonna get a very nice carrying case. In the case, you've got your clippers, it's got the beard trimmer pre-installed, you got your nose and ear trimmer, your hair clippers, foil shavers, precision trimmer, and body trimmer. They also give you a starter bottle of oil, a brush for cleaning out your blades, charging cable, all of your guides, and a pretty useful user guide here. All right, guys, so the trimmer itself, very nicely made. Ufree's actually sent me over another one of their trimmers before. I've been using that for almost a year and I absolutely love it. And I gotta tell you, this one here is even better than the last one that they sent me. So this here has kind of a rubberized texture here. It's got one button for operation. Switching out your blades is super easy. Simply press this lever right here, pull up, and you can insert your replacement blade or replacement attachment just like that, and it's ready to go. So changing out your attachment, super easy. There's very secure inside of the trimmer there. You got your USB-C charging port on the bottom. And this also has a lockout feature. So right now I have it unlocked. Press the button, it comes on. It gives you your power level reading there. Press it again, it goes into a turbo mode. So you got kind of two speeds if you have some coarse hair that you need to cut. And then press it again, it turns it off. Now it actually has a lockout feature. So if I press and hold that, and it gives you a 3-second countdown, now it's locked out. So if you inadvertently press the button, or if you have some kids or something around, you don't want to messing with your trimmer, you can lock it out. To unlock it, press and hold. It's going to give you a 3-second countdown, and it comes back on again. So from that perspective, super easy, guys. So I'm going to give you guys a quick demonstration now. This is just me trimming off my beard. So I grew out my beard for this video for you guys, just so that you can see kind of a complete cut. This is like 2 minutes and 45-second long video that I've sped up for you guys, so you guys can just see me, trimming my beard off, going from a, week-old beard down to next to nothing. So if you guys are looking for a very nice 6-in-1 beard trimmer set, I highly recommend this Ufree 6-in-1 professional beard trimmer here. Hope this helps.